Hi, how are you today? Today we are going to introduce the push button of the multi-view LCD KVN switch CL3884. So today we will focus on the push button here, which you can decide which display mode you would like to use. So let's start from the 4 push button here. So as you can see now, the KVN with the core view display mode. Then when I push the button here, it will switch to the single display mode. Now I'm using the PC1 video signal. Then PC2, video source 3, etc. Then by utilizing the button here, you can choose which the multi-display mode you would like to use. So for example, this is the core view display mode, and this is the PIP mode 1, PIP mode 2, the third PIP mode. Then this feature is the so-called FM feature. The user can pre-configure the multi-display mode you would like to choose. And this model supports up to 4 multi-display mode. So by just push this button, the KVN will choose the display mode the user preset. Okay, quite convenient. Then for the last 3 buttons, the user can decide which display is the main display. So for this model, the user can just choose the one display as the main display. So far, by open the device's OSD, you will know now this is the main display, and the user can do the operation on the LCD KVN. If you choose this one, then it will switch the main operating privilege to the external console. Okay, the OSD just located on the external console now. Then it also supports the mirror mode. When you choose the mirror mode, the video display content will be exactly the same between the 2 displays. So basically, this is the push button features that the CL3884 support. So let me recap here. These 4 buttons is related to the single display mode. Then the button here is related to the multi-view mode display scenario. Then for the last 3 buttons, the user can decide which display is the main display. So this is my sharing today. Thank you, and you have a good day.